changing climate.
Flooding.
Flooding has been a very large problem and a growing one. That's part of the reason that we need the right tools to inform our risk around flooding, and specifically to have the real-time decision support to help make sure that we can protect people when the floods do come. Blackbird is both a hydraulic modeling approach and a software that I'm working on, and it's basically a way to show flood depths and produce these flood maps in a much more efficient way than can be currently done. Floodplain mapping is important. It's used both in regulatory purposes for basically looking at flood risk and allowing developments in certain areas and making sure that we don't build in risky areas with respect to flooding. It's also important for real-time decision making, which is what I'm working on with Blackbird. And it's basically a tool that can allow us to see visually where floodwaters will go and help to inform the right decisions during these big flood events. The Jane Family Award for Entrepreneurship has had a big impact on me personally in, I would say, two ways. And the first is some validation that I'm focusing on the right things with respect to entrepreneurship. And secondly, financially, it's basically allowed me to focus on developing the software and developing the business, and really allowing me to focus my energy there instead of being pulled in different directions. What's exciting about my work with Blackbird is the opportunity to apply research in a very meaningful way. It's exciting to know that this tool is being sought by conservation authorities and flood forecasters and people that would really want to use it. And it's exciting to work on a very applied problem that I know can have an impact on reducing damage to property and loss of life with respect to flood events.